Hey everyone, my name is Elena and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to tell you all about gallery presets and how you can choose a gallery preset to quickly assign options and designs to your galleries you've uploaded. Instead of having to select a gallery, go to settings, and create settings every time, as well as having to create a design for each gallery, you can actually go ahead and go to all galleries here and choose a preset by the shoot type you've selected for your gallery. This preset will be a quick way to assign options such as who has access to your gallery, download options, store options, design, and more. So let's get started and take a closer look here. From the All Galleries page, go ahead and go down here to Gallery Presets and click it. On this next page, you'll see all existing gallery presets. You might have a couple already depending on what shoot types you've selected for your galleries you've uploaded. You'll be able to see a default preset, which you can go ahead and assign to any one of these by clicking the three dots. You can also duplicate a preset, rename it, edit it, or delete it from these options. Let's go over to create a preset. Here, we can go ahead and name it. I'm going to name it commercial food. Let's select a shoot type. Here, I'll be able to choose one of my existing shoot types that I've assigned to pop up right away. I'll also be able to see the full list of shoot types down below. In this case, I do want to choose commercial food. Next, under the Settings tab here, we'll see a lot of the same options we would as if we were looking at an individual gallery. Here in Access, we'll be able to see if we want to allow visitors. Keep in mind, in a preset, we will only be able to allow visitors as the ability to add client and guest information will be unique to each individual gallery. Additionally, we will also be able to choose expiration, digital downloads, sharing, watermarks, favoriting, commenting, people filter, and store. Additionally, we'll also be able to choose the design, and we'll be able to choose customized settings for the design as well. Once we're all done setting the specific settings for how we want this shoot type to apply to our gallery, let's click Done. Now, we'll be able to see this appear here. Let's go back to all galleries. So there's a few ways to apply this. You'll have the option to select a preset when you're adding a new gallery to your website. Or if you want to add a preset to your existing gallery, just click a gallery, go to Settings, scroll down here, and you'll be able to see Preset. If we click Apply Preset, we'll be able to choose one of our existing presets. Let's go ahead and choose Sports. However, we can easily create a new preset right from this page if we've already chosen a number of settings and a design we would like to save to apply to other galleries of this same shoot type. We'll be able to name that new preset and select the shoot type associated with it. Alright, so that concludes this video on how to create presets for your galleries and assign them. If you have any other questions on this or anything else, please reach out to us at support anytime, as we are always happy to help.